M0FXB, welcome to my channel, and we're looking at the ATS-20 Plus HF medium wave shortwave receiver. Now this came to me £38 from AliExpress. So how could I resist? We've got my 9-to-1 Ballon long wire connected to it. It's a BNC connection, as you can see there. On the back you've got the firmware connector, then underneath that you've got the USB-C, BNC, you've got on and off, power on off, and on the right here you can select FM or shortwave, and you've got a headphone socket, which is pretty cool. It's also stereo, and apparently we have RDS as well, which gets the information on broadcast frequencies. So I've got some stations coming in now. Now the volume is here, look, volume up and down here. So let's just go up a bit. So it's quite a small speaker on this, so it's a bit tinny. When you change frequency, you can change the step by pushing this button here. So it's 1 kilohertz, 5 kilohertz, 10. So there's 1. There is a bit of chuffing. It's, I think hobby-wise, for shortwave listening, it's actually very good. Now, if you want to fine-tune, you can actually push it, and you get a few choices. That's AGC on. Hang on, let's have a look here. See the way it changes? BFO. Now let's try the modes. You got AM, LSB, USB, and AM. Now when you're in broadcast mode, you can listen to things like Radio 1 and you know, BBC. So back in LSB, so I think you could have great fun with this. And it does go quite loud.
Well, the signal will be even stronger, but it's good enough, so no problem. So wonderful to copy you and to hear you for the first time, Joe.
You've got bandwidth here as well.
Go ahead, Joe.
You see that changing? 0.5, 1, 1.2, 2.2, 3. Like so. Mode, bandwidth, volume, band, AGC. Not sure what difference that actually makes. Let's go up to 20 meters. You can hear the broadcast stuff coming through. Now we'll go to USB. If we hold that down, what happens? Just does that. Seems like quite a solid. Hang on a minute. Let's go back to 0. So it's quite a small device. If we put my my microphone next to it, It's a small device. So you could, if you're going on, take a length of wire with you. Let's turn that down. It's got a good battery and it's fully chargeable. Put that in your bag with a decent length of wire. It does come with an antenna for broadcast stations. But for me, this is about ham radio. But if we want to listen to Radio 1, you just go flick to FM on the back. And then just cycle through until you see, there's so many bands. So there's radio. This is without even an antenna connected. To 94.3.
I thought, can I use the N-word? And I didn't use it at all, but I thought at first...
It says mono there, but it does get stereo.
In the 70s without using that word. I heard that word.
It sounds really good.
I heard it every day when I was growing up.
So my opinion on this, for £40,
Yes. In your memoir.
Absolutely.
for £40 UK, I think it's well worth it. In another video, I'm going to show you it, show it side by side with the colour version. So bye for now. Catch you on air. All the best.